Hey guys, what's up? It's the girl Patriana here, and today me and Remy are getting our COVID-19 test because we are planning to go to a wedding soon and a few travel coming up in the fall and stuff, and we just want to feel comfortable about going to places and not infecting other people. So it's not like very well known, but Bright is actually are doing free testing. It's definitely free. You don't need the symptoms or doctor's referral. So you just, fill in their forms, sign your consent, and then schedule an appointment. So I live in Virginia, but my appointment is all the way in Baltimore, Maryland, because that's the closest one. And there are two in Virginia, but they're all like about 4 hours away. So we decided to drove here and then get our testing done. So the test itself, when you sign up and you just give them your last 4 digits of your appointment form. It's definitely free. You don't need the symptoms or doctor's referral. So they will, basically like use the swab, stick it up your nostrils for 15 seconds. You do like 2-3 circles. And then you do it on the other nostrils, leave it on for 15 seconds. And then after that, they give you like a solution container. So you break the tip, drop the cotton swab, and return it, and you're gonna get your test in 2 to 7 business days, and they will email you the result. It's very easy, very painless, and it's free. You don't have to wait in line. So I feel, they have like lots of free testings, but I just feel much more comfortable if if I set up an appointment so I don't have to wait in line and stuff like that. It's just more convenient that way. So I did that. It's kind of like not comfortable when you stick something up very high up your nostrils, but it's done. So hoping for the best. Doing my COVID testing here, guys.
Alright. And then I need you to take it out. Put that in one of your nostrils all the way up until you touch your bone. And then you're going to have to do 2 to 3 circles around and keep it in there for 15 seconds.
Okay. So swab it up, stick it all the way up to my nose.
So all the way in?
All the way in. And then do 2 to 3 circles around and swab, and then leave it for 15 seconds.
Swabbing. 2-3 circle. It's definitely not comfortable. It feels itchy.
Oh.
And leave it on for 15 seconds. Just looking at the timer here.
Alright, you can take it out.
Uh,
You need to do the same thing as the other nostril.
And do it on the other nostril, okay.
Try to push it as much as you can up there.
Okay. "15 seconds, stuck it all the way up. Uh-oh.
yeah, I think it's good, right?
I think it's been 15 seconds here.
Take it out. Now I need you to open the vial.
Okay, open the vial.
And now you can close it. And make sure it's sealed up tight and give it back to me.
Okay.
Oh, I got the,
So they just put in a tray and then stick your nose in, put in the solution. What do you think, Ram?
Well, it's good to have it and to get it checked. Just get to the safe side, right? It's free, so nothing to lose. If you get it, you get it.
God forbid.
Stay quarantined.
All right, guys, thanks for watching. Try to check out, in your areas if they have free testing and whatnot, because, it's always good when they're going to reopen the economy and going back to society that, you're not a carrier. So at least, you're not infecting other people. So, all right, guys, that's it. All right, thanks for watching. See ya.